All right, small animals, welcome to week 5, April 27th through May 1st. Our learning targets for this week are going to be to evaluate controversial pet health topics, assess alternative healthcare methods, and discuss an introduction to grooming practices. Our ongoing project is our SAE project. Hopefully you've done some substantial work on that and are doing great. If you have any questions, contact myself or Ms. Seibert. Continue turning things into the forms. You guys are doing awesome at that. Everything's going to be due Friday, May 1st at midnight. Woo! Cool. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Our first assignment on Monday is going to be about controversial health topics when it relates to our pets and our animals. So here we have, I think it's 5 controversial health topics. You either need to click a video link or click an article link and respond, like find pros and cons in those videos or articles, and then I want you to share what you think, if you agree or disagree with this procedure and why. So you're going to do that for each of the 5 topics in this document. Yeah. Okay. Rough, but moving on. On Tuesday, we're going to start our alternative healthcare project. So this is going to be a 2-day lesson once it loads. So your first day, you're going to obviously follow the directions and read through them and get all that good stuff. Your first day, you're going to define each of these like types of alternative therapy for our pets, and then your second day you're going to make a poster about one of those of your choice. So these are going to be different types of treatments that we can have for our pets other than what we might typically do. So like off the top of my head, aromatherapy is going to be something with smells and scents, right? So you're going to read into that and see what it's about, and then how we can use it. And then up on these instructions, it explains better how to make your poster and what should be on that. So like I said, day 1 is going to be definitions. Day 2 is your poster assignment. On Thursday, we're going to do a brief introduction to grooming practices for our pets. We're not going to touch too much into this because I want you guys to be able to start a new unit next week when Miss Seibert takes over. So there's a PowerPoint here of just like how to groom your dog. It's super introductory, and then a nice little link of me reading said PowerPoint, so you can go ahead and watch that if you choose instead. And then you have a choice for your assignment. You can either do a grooming demonstration on your animal, and this will illustrate how to do that, and in this we're asking you to take pictures instead of do videos. Some of us struggled with that. That's okay. That's on us to find an easier way to do that, so we did. And we're going to do pictures instead of videos on a PowerPoint. Or if you don't have an animal, you can choose to do the grooming tools assignment where you figure out the purpose for some tools that are used in grooming. So you get to choose on what you want to do for that. On Friday, your assignment is going to be your week 5 at-home animals. Again, if you need help locating an animal to interview for this project, go ahead and reach out to us and we will help you find somebody. Your turn-ins are below. You have one for your controversial health topics. Once you are done with your alternative healthcare assignment as a whole, you can do it right there. And then your grooming assignment that you choose to do will go right there, and then your week 5 animals. This will be the last week that I will be creating instruction for you because it's actually my last day on Friday. So I just wanted to take a moment to thank all of you for your super hard and awesome work that you've put out. You guys were super awesome to work with, and I'm going to miss you all so much. So good luck with this week's assignments, and let me know if you have any questions.